Hello kids, today we are going to solve the question paper of FA first. Okay, I hope you all are solved this question paper good. I hope आप सभी लोग पेपर अच्छे सॉल्व किए होंगे. But I will once again this question paper going to solve. See here kids, आप लोगों ने पेपर अच्छा सॉल्व किया होगा because you are a brilliant students, good students, sincere students. Yes or no? Yes. So, shall I start the solving the question paper? Shall I start? Our first question is match the column. In this question, two columns are there, column A and column B. Before going to join this one, I will read it. Orange, brinjal, legs and hands words are in A column. In B column, help us to walk, fruits, help us to write and vegetable. So see here, orange, help us to walk? No. Orange is a fruit? Yes. Join orange. Next, see brinjal. Brinjal help us to walk? No. Brinjal help us to write? No. Brinjal is vegetable? Yes. Then join brinjal to vegetable. Third one, legs. Legs help us to walk? Yes, correct. So join legs to help us to walk. Hands help us to write. Okay, now see second question. Name the following. First one, parts of your body with which you can run. Which body part help us to run, walk, jump, dance? Legs. So right here, legs. Second question is parts of your body with which you can see. Answer is eyes. Eyes help us to see. It is for 2 marks. Okay. Now third question, see. Circle the odd one out. Two questions are there, question A and question B. In these two questions, 4 words are there. Potato, carrot, apple and brinjal. Read that and think about every word. Potato is a vegetable. Okay. Carrot is a vegetable. Apple is a fruit. Brinjal is a vegetable. Then which word is different? Tell me, which word is different in these all 4? Vegetable, apple or brinjal? Yes, apple is different. So circle it because potato, carrot, brinjal are vegetables are there and apple is a fruit. Next one, butter, cheese, curd, banana. In B question, 4 words are there. Butter is a milk product, cheese is a milk product, curd is a milk product, banana is a fruit. So which word is odd? In these 4 कौन सा word अलग है? Milk product, fruit. Fruit is different. So circle the banana. This is also for 2 marks. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the bracket. In bracket, options are there: fat, vitamins and proteins. First one, dash dash give us energy. Dash dash give us energy. Second one is dash dash help our body to grow. Third one, dash keep our skin and eyes in good health. First one is what give us energy? Fat. We get energy from fat. Okay. Now second one, vitamin is there. Vitamin help us to grow our body? No. Protein? Yes. So right here, proteins help us, our body to grow. Protein help our body to grow. Third one, dash keep our skin and eyes in good health. What keep? Which one nutrient keep our skin and eyes good? Vitamins. In vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, different types are there, no? So I will write here vitamins. Vitamins keep our skin and eye in good health. Okay kids, this type we also solved it. I hope this type you also solved it. Next question is number 5. Answer the following questions. First question, name the 3 food items which give us protein. We get protein from cheese, eggs and fish. These all 3 food items give us protein, and protein help our body to grow. इन 3 चीज़ों से हमें प्रोटीन मिलता है, और प्रोटीन से क्या होता है बच्चों? प्रोटीन से हमारी बॉडी हेल्दी रहता है और हेल्दी से ग्रो होता है. मतलब बॉडी विल ग्रो इन हेल्दी कंडीशन. अच्छी तरह से ग्रो हो जाता है. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? ओके. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज सिमिलैरिटी? आंसर, similarity is the likeness or resemblance. Similarity is likeness. Okay, next on the page. Question 3. Who needs food? Who needs food? All living things. All living things need food. Fourth question. What do animals give us? Answer, animals give us milk, meat, egg, etc. Etc. means, you know kids, we get a wool from sheep. Okay, we are using the animal skin also. हम एनिमल के स्किन यूज़ करते हैं, एनिमल्स के बाल यूज़ करते हैं. Here I am written only 3 names. Animal give us milk, meat, egg, etc. Understood? Why I am written etc? मैं क्यों etc लिखी हूँ पता चला ना आपको? We get a wool from sheep. We use a animal skin to make a different types of things. Understood? Okay. Now question number 8. Sorry, question number 4 is there here. Rewrite the jumbled words in the correct form. See, one word is there, but its letters are change their place, exchange their places, jumbled, इधर का उधर हो गए. So you think, see first of all, see what letters are there. What letters are there? K, B, A, C. Use these all letters and make a new word. That should be a proper meaning. उस word को एक meaning होना चाहिए. Okay, see here. I will write here B, A, C, K. What is back means what? B, A, C, K. See here 4 letters, here 4 letters are. Back is our body part, no? Yes. Next. M, A, S, T, O, C, H means what? No meaning word. So I will arrange it. When we will arrange, जब हम अरेंज करेंगे उसको एक नया वर्ड रेडी हो जाएगा, उसको मीनिंग रहेगा. सो सी हियर, यस, टी, ओ, एम, ए, सी, एच means what? Stomach. Body part, no, it is? Yeah, correct. Next, third one, H, M, U, O, T. Here also, see, all letters are jumbled. So I will arrange it properly. M, O, U, T, H. Mouth. Next here, I, R, A, H. I, R, A, H means what? No meaningful word will become. So I will write here H, A, I, R, hair. Understood? Okay. Now last question is, mark and label the following parts of the body in the picture given below. See here, one picture is there, boy picture is there. You watch it and label the body parts. That body parts given below. Ear. See where it is the ears? Ear. Here one is shown, so I will write here ear. Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Eye. See here, here it is the eye. Toes. Look here, here are toes. Fingers. So see here, fingers are here, are there. Knee. You find out where is the knee? Yes, here is the knee. Hand. See, it is the hand. Next, hand over hair. Find out where are the hair? Hair. These are the hair. Arm, leg and teeth. See, this is the arm. Okay, leg and teeth. This is the neck, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. This is the hand and arm also. This is the hand, this is the arm. Okay. This is the knee and this is the leg. Okay. Now, where is the shoulder? Neck over. Where is the shoulder? This is the shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Stomach. See here, it is the stomach. Show it. STOMACH, stomach. Understood, no kids? This type you show the mark the all body parts and label it.